Hello Falcons, and welcome back to another sentence diagramming lesson. Let's go ahead and open up our journals and start by logging this in our glossary. This is lesson number 11, and our title is Adjectives and Adverbs 5. Alright, turn to your page, please. Again, this is lesson 11. Adjectives and Adverbs 5. Today we're going to talk about compound adjectives and adverbs. It's not too tricky, but let's start with an example. Let's take the sentence, a clear but cold day dawned. Now remember, every time we start with a sentence diagram, the first thing we should do is find our subject and find our verb. So what is our subject? If you said day, you are correct. And what did the day do? The day dawned. So there's our subject, there's our verb. Now, notice that we still have these 4 words left. We need to figure out what to do with these now. Let's start our diagram first. Day goes on the left because it's the subject. Dawn goes on the right. Okay. Now, notice how clear and cold both describe the day. They tell us what kind of day. And notice how they're being connected by the word but. That word but is called a conjunction. It helps connect clear to cold. On our diagram, we need to represent these adjectives and the fact that they're connected by but. In order to do so, we will still draw our slanted lines below our subject. So let's go ahead and put clear and then cold. And in order to show that they're connected by but, just like we do on other diagrams, we're going to draw our dotted line. And let's show that but connects it, so let's draw the word but. Cyril's trying not to laugh at the word but. She's immature, guys. Okay, and now we have the word a. A is an article and it helps us understand what day. A day, so it goes underneath the word day. Okay, that wasn't too bad. What you need to remember is when you see those conjunctions connecting either adjectives or adverbs, it goes on that dotted line. Okay, let's try another example. Let's take the sentence, yesterday, winds blew strongly and unceasingly. Alright, let's start with our subject and our verb. What is doing the action? What is the action? Good. Winds is the subject, and blew is the verb. So let's draw our basic diagram. And now notice we have all these extra words. Well, let's look at strongly and unceasingly. Strongly and unceasingly tell us what? They tell us how the winds blew. The winds blew strongly and unceasingly. These are adverbs. So we know we're going to draw lines underneath blue. And then what conjunction is connecting them together? I hope you said and. And remember, to show that these are connected, we're going to draw that dotted line. Good. Now let's think about that word yesterday. What does yesterday tell us? Does yesterday tell us about the winds, or does yesterday tell us about blue? Well, yesterday tells us when the winds blew. So we're going to add that underneath the word blue. Okay, great. So now we've gone over compound adjectives and adverbs when these descriptors or modifiers are connected with a conjunction. Now it's time to practice. Good luck, Falcons.